Salam, this is Keshar and another day with friends. Today I'm making Tahchin, but before I start on that, I would like to say, Jason, you asked me for the recipe of sholazad. I've already sent you the link. Please let me know if you got it or not. And also I have few friends today that they've asked me, they've emailed me and they asked me to prepare something inexpensive and fast, and I'm going to do that also today. So we have 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of yogurt. For every cup of rice, you use 1 cup of yogurt. If you've got some extra, you can always save it and freeze it. I have 2 pounds of chicken, white and dark. I've already cooked it, 2 eggs, some onion, salt and pepper to taste. For this dish, I use white pepper. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to prepare the mix right now, which is the mixture, which is the yogurt, some olive oil, this is half a small onion, white pepper, some salt to taste, 2 eggs, and saffron water. We can always add more saffron. And I also put a dash of lemon juice. This is optional, but I would like to have the zest. This is done. What I do is I'm going to put some on the chicken, and the rest is going to be for the rice. So we'll go back here. The rice is ready. Add more water. So I try to do this in advance so the videos won't be too long. So the rice is ready. I'm going to drain the rice. Rinse it. Now here goes I need to get the pot ready. So you have to coat the pan totally. I use a piece of paper towel, coat the bottom, coat the sides. Add more oil. Then here, we're going to mix the rice. Going to cook the So you mix the rice with the mixture of yogurt and add more oil to this. I think I need a little bit more. Saffron. The first layer that you put in, make sure, because you want more rice at the bottom, you don't want the chicken because of the tahdig. Then you start putting the chicken. If you have a deeper dish, you can put 2 layers of chicken, but because my dish is not that deep, I only put 1 layer of chicken. And there goes the rest of the rice. You notice that I saved some of this so I can mix it later. Tahchin is, you have to be very careful that it takes a lot of, more than average oil, because that's what makes it good. If you don't put enough oil, it won't stick to the pan. It would stick to the pan and it won't taste, it would be dry. I'm going to put more rice. Add a little bit more. Just work it. Oil it. And now we're going to simmer it for half an hour. cover it for now. And what I do is because of the moisture, you want to observe the moisture, so wish me luck. And let's see, yeah, that it would be to your taste. Okay, and then we'll be back for the presentation. This is the presentation of Tahchin. Let's see. And I hope that you enjoy this dish as much as I enjoyed making it. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? یه بشقاب بده. Here, Manajan.
Thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.